Hi guys, it's Mrs. Ogle back again for some more talking about colors. We're going to look at our shapes again just a little bit, and I've got a fun story to end our time together. I hope that you're excited because I am. Let's start with our song. Are you ready? It's time to start our day. It's time to start our day. It's time to give a great big cheer and then be on our way. Hooray! All right, it's a great day to keep learning. Don't you think so? But first, we need to stand up big and tall. Hand goes on our heart. We're going to say our Pledge of Allegiance. Are you ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Great job, guys. Go ahead and sit back down. Let's look at our calendar. This is the month of May. It's the month of May. But what day is it today? Yesterday was number 13. What do you think today's number is? If yesterday was 13, today is, are you ready to count? Let's figure it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Today is Thursday, May 14. It's Thursday. Thursday in the morning, Thursday in the daytime, Thursday when the sun goes down. When I got up this morning, do you know what I did? I made myself a bowl of Cheerios. I like Cheerios. I cut up some banana to go in it too. And when I ate my cereal this morning, it was already Thursday. It was Thursday when I woke up. When I have my dinner a little bit later tonight, what day do you think it's going to be? It will still be Thursday. When I go to bed late this evening, it'll be dark outside. Will it still be Thursday? It will. It'll be Thursday all day long. When I wake up tomorrow, it won't be Thursday anymore. It'll be a fun Friday. You know, we only have 2 fun Fridays left in preschool. We have tomorrow, and then look right here. That's our last day of learning for the year. And that will also be a fun Friday. So we have tomorrow and our last day of learning as our last 2 fun Fridays for the year. Okay, we've been talking a little bit about colors. I know you guys know lots about colors, so we're just going to go pretty quick. Do you remember the primary colors? How many primary colors are there? Did you say 3? I bet you knew it. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 primary colors. There's red and blue and yellow. And one of my favorite things about the primary colors is that we can mix them up to get secondary colors. The secondary colors are colors like green, purple, and orange. Now, the other day I did a video with water that got mixed together. I had blue water and I had yellow water. And when it mixed together, do you remember what color it made? It made green water. But if I had mixed blue water and red water, it would have made purple water. What color do you think I might have gotten if I had mixed yellow water with red water? Orange. I would have gotten orange water. I like water mixing because it is a fun way to practice getting new colors. I want us to look at our shapes again today. These are some of my favorite things to do in the school because you guys are usually pretty good at these, and I never get to win. You're always tricking me. I wonder if I'm winning right now. If I played this game with you, are you going to win or am I going to win? What shape is this? This is Susie. Do you know Susie? What shape is she? If you know it, you get 1 point. Susie, circle, big and round. All I do is roll around. She doesn't have any sharp sides, does she? Nope, she's just one big loop that goes around. She's a circle. How about Sandy? What's his name? What shape is this? Sandy. If you know it, you get 1 more point. Sandy Square is my name. My 4 sides are all the same. Look at this. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. They're all straight lines and they're all the same size. Some shapes have sides that are longer or shorter than others, but to be a square, they all have to be the same size. Oh, this is a good one. Tommy, am I tricking you today? Do you know Tommy's name? Tommy Triangle, proud as can be. Count my sides. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Tommy Triangle has 3 sides. If you knew Tommy Triangle, you could get another point. This is Ollie. What does he look like? Do you remember? It says, I am Ollie. Oval, good job. A football shape is mine. Some people think that I'm an egg, but I think I look fine. I bet you guys are doing awesome. Here's Danny. What's Danny? What shape is he? It says, I'm Danny. Diamond. I have 4 sides. All of them are diagonal lines. A diagonal line goes kind of at a slant. So it doesn't go straight up and down like a square or a rectangle might. Danny Diamond goes at a slant, and he has got, oh, look at this right here. Ouch, he's pokey. Ouch. Oh, he's got pokey tops and pokey sides. I'm Danny Diamond. I have 4 sides. All of them are diagonal lines. This one's tricky because he's got straight lines like the square, but 2 of his lines are long and 2 of his lines are short. It's Ricky. What shape is Ricky? Are you ready? Ricky rectangle. Don't get me wrong. 2 sides short and 2 sides long. Good job. All right, so now if you won that game, I bet you got a lot of points. I think there are 6 different shapes we covered. You could have as many as 6 points. Bet you didn't let Mrs. Ogle get very many points, did you? All right, but maybe I can trick you this time. I'm going to use something else and see if you can help me figure out the shapes. This is a juice box. I love juice boxes. Apple juice is probably my favorite juice box. What shape do you see? He's got 2 short sides on the top and the bottom, and 2 long sides on the left and the right. Is that Tommy Triangle? No, not Tommy Triangle. It's Ricky Rectangle. Did you see a rectangle? How about this? An egg. What shape is an egg? An egg is like Ollie Oval. I knew it. I knew you'd know it. Ollie Oval. That's right. Oh, what about this kite? Is it a square? No, it's not quite a square, but it does have straight lines. This has lines that are diagonal. Danny, diamond. Right, I have 4 sides. All of them are diagonal lines. Do the top and bottom look pokey on that kite? And the corners too, they do look a little pokey. That's a diamond. How about this basketball? What shape do you see with that basketball? It's Susie's circle. Awesome. You guys are so good at this. Well, I looked at this and my favorite picture here was the kite. So I wanted to find a story about a kite. Today's book is called Curious George the Kite. You know George is a good little monkey, but he tends to get very curious. To be curious means you want to know more about things. So George might just get curious about a kite. Are you ready? It was a sunny day in the country. George opened the window to let in fresh, cool air. It was windy. George liked to watch the wind carry things away. It carried leaves away. It carried his cards away. It did not carry his brick away. Why do you think it didn't carry away his brick? Did you say that the brick was too heavy? Yep, I think so too. As George looked up, he saw something colorful in the sky. It was a kite. It belonged to Bill, the boy next door. George wanted to fly the kite more than anything in the world. Flying a kite is not easy, Bill said, but I can teach you. Just then his mom called, Billy, please come and help me. Bill gave George the kite string. Please watch my kite for me, George, he said. I will be back soon. George wanted to be good, but he was also very curious. He was curious about flying a kite. George went to a field. He held the kite up in the wind. It began to fly away. George chased the kite. He chased it over a hill and past a farm. The string pulled him along. The wind was too strong. It carried George away with the kite. George was flying like a bird. It was so much fun. It was fun until George almost crashed into a tree. Now Jumpy the squirrel was flying too. He did not like it. Soon, George was happy to see that the man with the yellow hat was flying nearby. The man had a yellow hang glider. He had come to take George and Jumpy home. George was glad to be on the ground again. He gave Bill the kite. "Thanks, you are a great kite flyer," Bill said. George liked flying, but he liked walking more. George still likes windy days. He likes to fly kites. He likes to fly kites that are just the right size. Oh my goodness. Look, do you see Bill right here? His kite is awfully big next to George, isn't it? Maybe George wasn't quite heavy enough to hold that kite down. Is that what you think happened? I think it might be too. All right, before we call it a day, I want to let you know that Miss H and I are going to bring around one more round of goodie bags. Now, these goodie bags are going to have some art supplies in it. I think you guys could make some beautiful art at home with your families. It'll have everything you need to make some really creative art. You'll get to do whatever you want with it and make anything you want. We're going to come around Monday from 10 to 3 and on Tuesday from 3 to 6. Now, I'm going to send a message on Class Dojo to all the grown-ups to let them know what times we're going to be coming around. So make sure your grown-up lets us know when can we come by. We want to see you guys in your driveway. We'll stand in your driveway. We'll wave. Maybe we'll give some air high fives. I would love that. So have your grown-up get a hold of me and let me know, would they rather have us come by Monday or Tuesday? And we will try to see everyone that we can because we miss you. We love doing the driveway visits. We want to make sure you get those goodie bags. Even if we can't see you at the visit, we'll still make sure to drop off a goodie bag for you. Okay, guys? Bye for now. I hope you're having a great day.